In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom background theme in Gmail. This quick customization adds personality to your inbox and makes your email experience feel more enjoyable. Let's get started. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. Once your inbox loads, look toward the upper right corner for the grid icon located beside your profile picture. This icon opens Google's App Launcher, giving you access to different Google tools. Click on the grid icon, and from the menu that appears, select Google Photos. This is where you'll manage any pictures you may want to use in your background. If the image you want isn't uploaded yet, simply drag and drop it into Google Photos or use the upload option. After uploading, you should see the photo appear in your library. When it pops up, you'll notice an option to continue. Click that to move forward in the process. Now, return to your Gmail tab. We're ready to apply the new background. Once again, go to the upper right corner and click the settings icon, the small gear wheel. A quick settings panel will appear. Inside this menu, find the theme section and choose view all. This will open Gmail's theme gallery where you can browse several built-in designs. However, since we're adding your own image, scroll until you see my photos. Select my photos and your uploaded pictures from Google Photos will appear. Click on the image you just added to preview how it will look behind your inbox. If you're happy with the placement and appearance, click Insert to set it. Before finishing, make sure to click Save so the changes are actually applied. Once saved, your Gmail interface will instantly update with your custom background. And that's all it takes. With just a few simple steps, you've added a personal touch to your Gmail experience. Feel free to swap backgrounds anytime and experiment with different styles. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your freshly customized inbox.